Hey guys, Austin here, and if you don't know who I am a cinematic portrait photographer based out of Utah, and recently I had the opportunity to work with Nanlite and go shoot some portraits with their Pavotubes Mark II, these tube lights here. We shot some BTS, and so this is that shoot. I'm super excited to share it with you. The kind of goal was to try and make the shoot feel like they were frames out of an old movie, kind of grungy, things like that. So I think they turned out pretty well. I'm excited for you to see them. And of course, big thank you to Mihaela for filming the behind the scenes and Cami for being in front of the camera. But yeah, here's the shoot. We're using two Pavo lights for the shoot. We have one in a waterproofed casing in the tub, and then I have one hung off of a C-stand above for some top-down lighting. I also purchased some atmospheric mist because I thought it would give the photos some texture, but the bathroom in this house didn't actually have a door on it. It just had like a curtain, so the haze would just pretty much leave the room being kind of useless. I tried to shoot it throughout the shoot, but eventually just kind of gave up on it. One of the few challenges we did face though is that the waterproof housing for the tube light actually floats, so Cami did have to hold it down with her leg while she was in the tub, so it wasn't just floating at the top. So the pizza wasn't actually originally planned. I just hadn't eaten all day and I had some friends stopping by to hang out after the shoot, and I begged them to bring some pizza because I was starving, but then we had the idea to maybe incorporate it into the shoot because it might add to the overall story, and I think it did just that. So I shot with a variety of lenses throughout the shoot, anything from a 20mm all the way up to a 50. I eventually settled on the 35mm because I just found the 20 to be a little bit too wide and the 50 to be just a little bit too tight for how small the bathroom was. Overall, I'm pretty happy with how the photos turned out in the tub, but I think my favorite photos came from when we moved over to the shower. I really like this one in particular. I shot it through the fogged up glass of the shower, and it gave the whole photo just like an acrylic or oil painting kind of feel. For the majority of the shower shots, we just had one of the tube lights up in the ceiling, and I think a good practice when using practical lights like these is to put them in your scene where lights would be. So for this instance, we have the tube light replicating a ceiling light, but obviously it's giving a nicer glow than just like an in-house ceiling light would. But yeah, that's the entire shoot. I hope you enjoyed it, and thanks so much for watching.